Nobody OTM here today. We're going to be developing in Blender this time. We're actually going to make a hoe model. This is for the brand new channel. Go subscribe. So basically we're going to start by making like a very simple hoe. This isn't supposed to be complicated. I'm not aiming this to be the most complicated thing I've ever made, alright? That's what we're going to do. We're going to go into edit mode, Control R. We're going to scroll up a lot. Now we're again. Okay, and I'm going to left click and I'm going to right click. Put that in the center. As you can see, we have a lot of loops going around our cylinders. Now, go back to this view. And object mode, we're going to do add armature. We're going to go right here. We're going to go to viewport display. We're going to turn on in front so our bone here, our armature, is constantly visible. Rotate R, then Y. You can rotate like that. I'm going to go in here and make sure it's exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Put this at the bottom. Now I'm going to go in edit mode. I'm going to look at the top of the thing here. I'm going to do extrude on the x-axis. Put it at the tip. I'm going to go back into object mode. I'm going to select the cylinder, then the armature last. Control P and do set parent to with automatic weights. I'm going to go to pose mode and see if this works. As you can see now, our cylinder can bend, as you can see. Now we're going to add our little hoeage piece. I don't know what I want to call this. Let me go ahead and add Alright guys, so I have imported the mesh. Oh yeah, I knew I'd mess this up. Actually, wait a minute. I think I know why. Because there's bones inside. So that's because it is skeletal. What am I doing? Alright, so let's try this again. We do skeletal mesh, yes. Yeah. Okay. Well, next episode we'll fix this. And yeah. This kind of ended up funny, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and also subscribe for more content just like this. You guys watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye. This went wrong, but it's kind of funny.